Hi there, my name's Fiona and I'm going to go over one of the techniques in my books today, which sometimes causes a little bit of bother. This is knitted animal scarves, mitts and socks, and it's the foot for the cat scarf, but there are also some other scarves in the book that use exactly the same technique, so I really thought it was worth going over it. So I have 2 stitches there that I'm ready to work my final toe on. So when I work that, that is exactly how my knitting will look. So I've got the first toe, the second toe, which is where I've worked in this, and then on these 2 stitches I work my final toe, and again I come down the side as if it was the inside here, knitting, picking up and knitting, casting off, picking up and knitting and casting off.